Hi guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that every incoming video can reach you. Friends, how to ready Oriental hen rice. Fixing: first, rice bubbled half kg. Second, boneless chicken 250 grams. Third, prawns 250 grams. Fourth, onion cut 1. 5, butter 4 tablespoons. 6, teriyaki sauce half cup. Peas 1 cup. 8, carrots 1 cup. 9, capsicum 1 cup. 10, green onion 1 cup. 11, salt 1 teaspoon. 12, black pepper 1 teaspoon. 13, ginger slashed 1 tablespoon. 14, stock half cup. 15, green chilies 2. 16, oil 2 tablespoons. Technique: warmth oil and margarine fry the garlic well. Full stop. At that point, add fowl and prawn. Full stop. Fry well. Full stop. Eliminate and put in a safe spot. Full stop. Presently warmness oil and fry onion till brilliant. Full stop. At that point transformer. At that point transfer swine fowl and prawns, carrots, peas, capsicums and green chilies. Full stop. Fry for around 2 minutes. Full stop. Presently add stock, salt and dark pepper. Full stop. Blend well. Full stop. At that point add rice, teriyaki sauce and unpackaged onion. Full stop. Cover and get ready super appropriately. Full stop. Finally dole out and serve hot. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Please share. Thankful to you.